Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a passcode to your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that when you start your PS5, you want there to be a passcode. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right-hand corner. Next, you want to navigate to where it says Users and Accounts. Now from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Login Settings. So this is the really important step, guys. Over here where it says Require a PS5 Login Passcode, you want to click on that and then enter the passcode here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up a passcode on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you guys all in the next video.